everyone! Today, magbe-bake tayo ng Moist Chocolate Cupcakes. Ito ang ating mga ingredients. 1 cup cocoa powder, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups white sugar, 1 cup milk, 2/3 cup vegetable oil or canola oil, 3 whole eggs, 1 cup hot water, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoon baking soda, 1½ teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Since naka-mise and plus na ang ating mga ingredients, pwede na natin i-preheat ang oven natin to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, line our muffin pans with paper cups. In a bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients. Unahin natin si cocoa powder, and then all-purpose flour, two cups sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoon baking soda, 1½ teaspoon salt. Whisk lang natin siya until combined. Ayan. And then, set aside lang natin siya. In another bowl, mix together the liquid ingredients. 1 cup milk, 2/3 cup vegetable oil, 3 whole eggs, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the liquid to the dry mixture. Beat lang natin siya until combined. Itong moist chocolate cupcake natin, pwede natin itong gamitan ng hand mixer or stand mixer. Kaya lang, para sa mga nasa-start pa lang, pwede rin naman siyang hand lang talaga yung gamitin natin. And then, pag combine na, ilagay na natin ang ating hot water. Dapat hot water Ayan, ready na ang ating chocolate mixture. O, diba, pwede natin siyang magawa kahit wala tayong hand mixer or stand mixer. Ready na natin tong i-pour sa ating mold. Ready na ang ating mixture, so pwede na natin siyang i-pour sa naka-ready na nating muffin pans with cupcake liner. Gagamit tayo ng ice cream scoop.
A few moments later.
Okay, ready na ang ating cupcakes. Ready na ang ating Moist Chocolate Cupcakes. Naka-yield tayo ng 35 pieces. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.